Hey Facebook family, Laurel Hall here, and we are live at the public shopping market. We are doing the Come Shop With Me. So this week we're continuing the side veggie dishes, and you're gonna love this recipe. It's just phenomenal. We're gonna be doing artichokes. Now we're gonna have a vegetarian flair and a traditional flair. So let me turn the card around. Really super simple ingredients. Anybody who loves to have artichokes, and oh, they're just so yummy. Now there's three ingredients that I could not find here today, so we're just gonna go ahead and go with it, and I'll tell you what they are when I turn the card around. All right, and remember, tomorrow we are live. We're gonna be early. We're trying to hit that 4:30 time frame. I know in the post I said 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, but we're really gonna try to hit that 4:30 Eastern Standard Time so that we're back on track for all those that are Eastern Standard Time. All right, let me turn the card around. Okay, so you're going to want to get some good artichokes. The tighter the compact leaves, the better. That's going to be good. So these are a little bit, see how they're kind of coming out? They're not as tight. If you can get really super tight ones, that's going to be better. But you kind of sometimes have to go with what you have. You want to get some shallots. So we're going to do a little bit of shallots. So herbs that you want to get, some fresh organic thyme, some fresh organic rosemary, and we're going to go ahead and throw in just a little bit of chive. But I'm going to tell you, these are the herbs that I really want you to get if you can't get fresh. Get some oregano, because we're going to make it more of a Mediterranean style. And take a look, we have organic Mediterranean spice with sea salt. Yum, this is perfect. That is going to be the best one if you can get it. And then we're going to add just a hint of little bit of spice. We're going to use that Japanese 7 spice. Now what's not pictured here is they were out of cumin, so you want to have some cumin. Now for those who are going to do traditional, you're going to want to get some good fresh, do your choice of Asiago. I like Asiago because it has a little bit of nutty flavor. We're only going to do a little bit of this. It's going to be fresh and shaved. But if you're going to go vegan and vegetarian, you're going to want to do the dairy-free Parmesan shreds. Okay, now if you're dairy-free and vegan, you want to do vegetable broth, and you want to get, this is so simple, take a look. You want to get some bone broth if you're doing the traditional. So what's not also pictured here is I want to get the dairy-free, kind of the dairy-free vegan butter, and then ghee butter as well. G-H-E-E butter. I'm not sure I'm saying that correctly. I really should know how to say that. Okay, so super simple, but these are going to be so flavorful, so yummy. We're going to be doing them in the slow cooker. We're going to be doing them in the InstantPot and the Mealthy pot. So you're just going to absolutely love this recipe. So super simple, really yummy. So pick what you're going to serve with them, and we'll see you tomorrow live on the Come Cook With Me. All right, have a great day, everybody.